Unleashing the power of abs workout can transform your life in ways you never imagined. Engaging in regular abdominal exercises doesn't just build a six-pack. It amplifies your overall fitness, supercharges your core strength, and enhances your balance and posture. Plus, it can even alleviate back pain. So it's not just about looking good, it's about feeling good too. Now, embrace the challenge and discover the potent abs exercises that will help you reach your fitness goals. Planks, a simple yet highly effective exercise, strengthens your entire body. Let's dive right into the art of perfecting your plank. First, get into a push-up position on the floor. Ensure your arms are directly beneath your shoulders, creating a strong, sturdy base. Now, instead of standing on your palms like a traditional push-up, rest your forearms on the ground. Your elbows should align directly beneath your shoulders, forming a 90-degree angle. Next, extend your legs behind you, balancing on the balls of your feet. Keep your feet hip-width apart for stability. Now here's the crucial part. Your body should form a straight line from your head to your heels. Imagine a stick running along the length of your spine and down to your feet. That's the alignment you're aiming for. No sagging hips or piked-up bottoms. Engage your core. Think of pulling your belly button in towards your spine. This will help maintain that straight line form and protect your lower back. Also, don't forget to breathe. It's easy to hold your breath during this intense exercise, but controlled breathing will help you hold the position longer. Now aim to hold this position for as long as you can. Even a few seconds is a great start. Gradually increase the duration as your strength improves. Remember, it's not about how long you can hold a plank, but how well you can hold it. Remember, quality over quantity. A proper plank done for a few seconds can be more beneficial than a minute of improper form. Bicycle crunches are a fantastic way to target all of your abdominal muscles. It's an exercise that's as fun as it sounds and delivers a complete core workout. So let's break it down. Begin by lying flat on your back, place your hands behind your head, and draw your knees into your chest. Your aim is to bring the opposite elbow to the opposite knee, extending the other leg out. It's like you're cycling in midair, hence the name, bicycle crunches. Now, it's not about how fast you can go, but about slow, controlled movements. Each crunch should be deliberate and focused. Imagine you're trying to squeeze a grape between your elbow and knee. This ensures you're really engaging those abdominal muscles. As for your breathing, it's essential to get it right. Inhale as you extend your leg out, and exhale as you bring your knee and elbow together. This kind of conscious breathing not only helps maintain a steady rhythm, but also ensures that your muscles are getting the oxygen they need. Remember, your hands are there for support, not to do the heavy lifting, so keep your elbows wide and avoid pulling on your neck. It's your abs we're targeting here, not your neck muscles. And if at any point you feel a strain in your neck or back, take a break. It's okay to pause, realign your position, and then continue. Make sure to keep your elbows wide and don't pull on your neck. You're doing great. It's not about perfection, but progress. So keep going and keep getting better at it. The Russian twist, an excellent exercise that targets your obliques. Now let's break down how to perform this core strengthening move correctly. Start by sitting on the floor with your knees bent and your feet flat. Lean back slightly, so your torso is at a 45-degree angle to the floor. This position engages your abs right from the get-go. Now clasp your hands together in front of you. The next step is the twist. Imagine there's a pencil running straight up and down your spine and you're going to rotate around it. Keeping your spine straight is crucial here as it helps prevent any potential back injuries. Twist your torso to the right, then to the left. That's 1 rep. Remember, it's not about speed, but control. The slower you twist, the harder your muscles work. Twisting from your waist, not your shoulders, is key. Your shoulders should stay square and forward-facing throughout the exercise. This ensures you're targeting the right muscles, your obliques, the muscles on either side of your abdomen. And speaking of your abdomen, make sure it's pulled in, like you're trying to button a tight pair of jeans. This helps keep your core tight and engaged. As you're doing these Russian twists, keep your eyes forward. Picture a spot on the horizon and focus on it. This helps maintain your balance and keeps your neck in a neutral position. And of course, don't forget to breathe. Inhale as you twist and exhale as you come back to center. Keep your eyes on the horizon and don't forget to breathe. You're doing an amazing job. V-ups, a challenging exercise that works both your upper and lower abs. Diving right in, let's get into the nitty-gritty of how to properly perform V-ups. Start by lying flat on your back, legs extended, arms reaching over your head. Exhale as you engage your core, lifting both your hands and feet to meet in a V-shaped position. Your body should resemble the letter V at the highest point. Inhale as you lower back down, arms and legs extended, without letting your limbs touch the ground. That's 1 rep. Now, this exercise might seem simple, but it's the controlled movement that's key here. You're not just flinging your limbs in the air. Oh no, you're lifting with purpose, with control. It's this controlled movement that really fires up your abs, making them work harder and smarter. And let's talk about your back. A common mistake is to let your back arch as you lower down. But we're not here to strain our back, are we? So keep that back pressed into the ground as you lower your limbs. This will ensure you're really focusing on the abs and not putting unnecessary strain on your back. So there you have it, the V-up, a powerhouse move that targets both your upper and lower abs. It's a challenging exercise, but remember, you're stronger than you think. Remember, it's about progress, not perfection. Keep pushing yourself. Mountain climbers, a dynamic exercise that boosts your heart rate while working your abs. This exercise is all about speed, agility, and strength. It's not just an ab workout, but a full-body cardio exercise that engages many muscles simultaneously. Let's break it down. Start in a high plank position, hands planted directly under your shoulders, body forming a straight line from head to heels. Now, drive your right knee towards your chest, then quickly switch and do the same with your left knee. This is 1 rep. It's essential to maintain a steady rhythm, like you're running on your hands. The real secret to mountain climbers, though, lies in the core. Keeping your core engaged throughout this exercise is key. Tighten your abs like you're bracing for a punch, and keep them like that. This not only intensifies the workout, but also helps protect your lower back. Also, remember to keep your body as still as possible. Your hips shouldn't be bouncing up and down. It's your legs that are climbing the mountain, not your hips. And your hands, they stay right where they are, like rocks anchoring you to the ground. Mountain climbers can feel challenging, especially when you're just starting out. But don't get discouraged. Each time you do them, you're building strength, boosting your endurance, and carving out those abs. Keep pushing, keep climbing, and remember, this exercise is about endurance, not speed. Keep your eyes on the goal. You're stronger than you think. You've just powered through a solid abs workout. Feel the burn. That's your body thanking you. Let's take a moment to revisit what we've covered today. We've pushed through 5 different exercises, each targeting a unique aspect of your core. We started with planks, a foundational exercise that strengthens your entire body while focusing on your core. It's a test of endurance, not just for your abs, but for your arms, shoulders, and back as well. Then, we moved on to bicycle crunches. These are fantastic for targeting your obliques and getting those side abs working. Remember, it's not just about speed. It's about doing every rep with control and precision. Next, we tackled Russian twists. This exercise really challenges your balance and rotational strength, making it a great addition to any core routine. Remember to keep your spine upright and rotate from your torso, not just your arms. Our 4th exercise was V-ups. This is a challenging move that targets both the upper and lower abs. It's not about how high you can lift your legs or torso, but about creating that V shape with control. Finally, we finished with mountain climbers. This is a dynamic exercise that not only works your core, but also gets your heart rate up. It's the perfect finisher to a tough abs workout. Remember, each of these exercises is a tool in your fitness arsenal. Use them wisely and consistently, and they can help you sculpt the abs you've always wanted. But just like any tool, they're most effective when used correctly. So always prioritize form over speed or reps. It's better to do 5 reps correctly than 20 incorrectly. And above all else, remember that fitness is a journey, not a destination. It's about making small, consistent steps towards a healthier, stronger you. So don't be disheartened if you don't see results overnight. Keep pushing, keep striving, and most importantly, keep believing in yourself. Remember, your fitness journey is a marathon, not a sprint. Keep going and you'll see results in no time.